What's up, everybody? Mel here. Now, I just want to make a quick video talking about resin because I just tried a different resin and I have not gotten any satisfaction out of it. And for a resin that claimed to be low fume, it stunk to high heaven. But I'm happy to say, oh boy, that's washed out. But my translucent green Echo resin, which apparently I am one of the only ones that can get this to work, love, is back. And I got a bigger bottle. I love that translucent green resin because I get really good prints out of it. I finally figured out like the perfect settings for it, the temperature in the room, how to maintain it at for that perfect prints, and I could just get print after print after print after, without any issues. Cures nicely. It's got a good body, holds up, and I've painted everything I've been painting in the last couple of months really has been all resin prints from that printer and from that resin, so I have nothing bad to say about it. Also, I'd like to just point out that it tastes just like sour apple. Boy, is that good. I'm kidding. By the way, that was a joke. This is an energy drink. It just happens to be very close in color to that. So, enjoy. Everybody have a good day. And remember, no, in all seriousness, resin, when you're going to switch resins, there's a couple of things you got to keep in mind. One, you want to definitely take a look at all of the things, because this will tell you right now the first layer exposure settings on it and the normal exposure settings on it. This will also give you all of the appropriate times. I find this tends to also gives you the suggested room temperature and everything else. I really want to say that this is why I like this particular brand Anycubic, especially for the printer. Now, not that there's a problem that is with the Eco resin, eSun resin, which I switched to. It didn't give me as much information on it, so I just wanted to make this really kind of just to point out that when you do get different resins, you do make some switches, that you 100% make sure you find all of the details on it, because otherwise, I mean, I would happily spend like a day or two, you know, zeroing it in on that. But the fact that it said it was a low odor resin and it is not at all good for what I wanted to it for. So I'm going to be changing rooms for another 3D printer that I'm getting in with better ventilation, and I'll set that up out there to use that resin once I get a chance to really, tune it in and kind of zero in on the appropriate settings for it. But it does make a big difference. So when you do get new resin, make sure that you have all of the right settings on the bottle. That's one thing I just want to say, because it will make your prints and everything else much easier. That being said, I just really want to thank you for taking the time out to this channel. I know I haven't put up a lot of content lately. Been a little bit busy. I did get my COVID shot, first one yesterday. So been a little bit busy with stuff. I've been working on cleaning up some things back there today. I'm going to be building a new paint rack from scratch. Want to thank Nerdcraft HQ for giving me that idea. So make sure you check out Nerdcraft HQ's channel. I never worked with him before, but I was watching a video of his, and I mean, really just gave me a perfect idea for doing something like that. So want to throw credit where credit's due. Anyway, thank you all. My name is Mel. Please check me out on the socials down below. If you like what you see here, please hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to keep checking out some of the content we got going up on the channel. We're going to be doing some other things real soon, branching out into some different type of videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. And we're also going to be having better lighting, because I'm just filming under my standard fluorescence right now. And doing some new things. So, definitely check around. And you know what? Hit the notification button somewhere down there, probably over in this corner. And yeah, you'll be able to, see when we get notifications when I put more content up. So thank you very much for coming by the channel. And remember, do not drink this. This is not something you should drink ever. I make a joke because I have a really weird, cracked sense of humor. But I hope you enjoyed it at least. It gave you a chuckle. Have a good one. Mel out.